Okay, this is the final inspection video. It's June 5th, 2014. And let's see. That is the northernmost radius that was done. All the way to the bottom. Every radius. Every radius going all the way to the bottom. We've installed the 4-inch filters into every wall. There's another radius. Hold on, let me get out of there. There you go. There's another radius. I think you can see it goes all the way to the bottom. There's a tie-back cover. We covered up any cracks or any tie-back covers that we saw. Radius all the way to the bottom. I don't know if you can see or not, we also put in concrete bags and staked them down. There's one of the 4-inch filters. I'm going to give you a pulled back shot so you can see the little black dot in the southernmost walls. Okay, here's another radius. This was a crack in the wall that was repaired. Radius all the way to the bottom again. There are satcrete bags lining the bottom, all staked down. Okay, so radius for all the way from top, all the way down, all the way to the bottom, all the way around. Radius, crack. Alright, so I'm just going to pull back away from the wall a little bit. See if you can... There you go, give you a little bit better idea of what's going on over the broad stroke of things. That was repairing the cap. It's pretty shallow right here. I'm going to show you the radius. All the way to the bottom. Satcrete bags line the bottom, radius, and then all the way to the top. Alright, as you can see, we've got, there's the filters on every single wall, all the way across. There you go. We're at the southernmost end now. You got to see all of the filters, the concrete bags lining the bottom, and all of the radiuses. And I'm going to take you up on top and show you the repairs. Sorry about that. Show you the repairs to the top of the wall. Alright, moving north along the wall. This is the first repair that you come to. It's just a gouge in the wall where somebody had placed a shallow bolted cleat and it had obviously ripped out. There's a crack in the wall that got filled. Coming around going due north. There's a crack in the wall. This was a pretty massive piece missing out of the corner of the wall. Again, this is where someone has installed a cleat improperly and the wall broke away, which is most of this major damage. This is just cracks going along the wall that we filled, opened and filled. More cracking. Here is one of the major pieces that, because someone has allowed water a way to get down inside the concrete via a cleat, the salt water got down to the rebar, rusted away the rebar, and then it broke out this whole chunk. All of that, you know, other color concrete, that lighter colored concrete is all the repair. Okay, back to the top. More cracking. More cracking. Here's some of the holes for where the cleat was and where there's still metal inside. Cracking. This starts the beginning of the larger of the two repairs and ends here. Again, the same thing is where someone installed a cleat improperly. I think you can see the multicolored. The lighter colored concrete is ours again. That's the repair. Okay, and this here was just some sort of stucco work that we did over top of the other concrete that was the old concrete that was here, where it had been poured too dry or not vibrated out enough. So we just repaired that. And then at the northernmost of the wall was broken away. Was starting to crack away right there, and I filled that full of concrete and then, you know, cleaned it up as best as I could on your side. Thank you very much, and again, this is SeaMeDive final inspection.